Welcome to the second of these videos on keywords in titles, and this one on the word celebrates and the word central. I don't know why I've put them together. Anyway, here we go. Celebrates. Something like comedic literature celebrates the resourcefulness and power of female characters. It's come up before. So the first error that happens is people change the title. They see comedic literature celebrates the resourcefulness and power of female characters, and they actually read, do you think the female characters are resourceful or powerful, and powerful? So what might help you get this right? There's your title. Comedic literature celebrates the resourcefulness and power of female characters. The first thing you want to write about is, do you think they are resourceful or powerful? So a good chunk of your essay on how resourceful and powerful they are. And then, is it actually celebrated? Celebrates one of your keywords. Is it something that's a good thing in the text? Or is it, I don't know why I always go to Snow White. Snow White's stepmother, she's very resourceful, she's very powerful, but it's not celebrated in most stories of Snow White. So whatever it is that you've written about, make sure you write a good chunk about, yes, there is resourcefulness that sometimes has power, sometimes not. And how much is that a good thing? How much is it celebrated in the text? Next up, the word central. Deception is a central aspect of comedic literature. What does that mean? So deception's at the root of the text, maybe, and much of the comedy springs from it, something like that. So there are one of my favourite words, whataboutism. So deception is a central aspect of comedic literature, and some people want to say, no, love triangles are. What about love triangles? I'm going to write a whole essay about love triangles. And then you don't get any points because the content you had to write about was deception. So how to fix that? Herring off doing the wrong thing. So a lot of your essay is going to say, whatever you think, deception is important, and a lot of the comedy comes from it, and you're going to discuss examples of it and how lots of the confusion will spring from deception. If you want to say it's not the most important thing, it's not the most central thing, the love triangle's at the root of the deception, so the love triangle is the central aspect, and that's quite near the end of your essay. I don't know why I chose this example. It's not one that I would write. I would just say, yes, deception is central and discuss my examples. But if you do want to say it's something else, maybe a quarter, maybe a third of your essay, and try to link that something else to deception if you can. I think that could be the end.